If you're a frequent user of Bubble like myself, you might have come across this. When I click the drop-down menu for pages, we get this new option that says Add New Page with AI. It says it's in beta, but this has the possibility to be a game changer. Imagine being able to create pages in Bubble lightning fast. At least for me, the longest and hardest part is the design. I'm really good with the workflow section. So if we can take that out of my hands and have AI design the page, make it responsive as well, we can take our ideas to reality much sooner. I'm going to try it out live in this video. I haven't did this before. We are going to work through it together. The first thing I notice is that it says 25 out of 25 pages left this week. I'm curious what that means. Are they giving us a limit to how many pages we can design using AI? I'm going to click View More. There's a couple options here: landing page, dashboard, social feed. Let's try to create a user profile. I'm going to click on this, then next. Step 2, it wants us to tell us more about your page, and it comes with a prompt guide. They say it's similar to ChatGPT and Midjourney. I'm pretty sure that the audience watching this video knows how to prompt. We've had lots of practice. They want a length of 1 to 2 sentences, and they want us to provide variables. It seems that they have fine-tuned their model to accept certain types of variables. So if we provide that in the prompt, it should generate what we are trying to create. They want us to use page type, app type, target audience, dark mode, or no. This is very interesting. User goal, primary color, emotion, image type. This is if we want images on the page. Font description. These are a lot of style variables. They give us a list of image types to use. Then they tell us some limitations. So color schemes that involve more than one color will not work. The landing page is the most customizable page. Other pages such as dashboard, marketplace, and social media feed have less color and photography. They won't allow any prompt generations that violate their content guidelines. They do not have the ability to create any set of features from scratch. The pages are defined at the page level, not component or feature level. I'm not quite sure what they mean here. They give us a few example prompts, and they all appear to be very similar, but you're replacing this variable for another. So let's copy example 2. I'm going to paste it in. Let's go a user profile page for an AI image generator app aimed at artists who want to showcase their images created with AI. The page should be black and white, evoke emotions of high class. I like digital art images. I'm going to keep that. And I'm going to use clean font. Let's see what it can do. I'm going to click the button. It says it's interpreting your prompt. This can take a few minutes. Continue editing your app in a new tab while the page loads. I'm just going to wait. I'm wondering if this means that it can't go outside of its predefined templates. So remember on that previous page, they gave us options of dashboard, social media feed, settings page, user profile. I wonder if I were to prompt it to create something from scratch, something completely new and unique, that it could not do so. So maybe the AI pages feature in Bubble is best used for those boilerplate pages. Those ones that are so annoying to make. You have to make them new for each app that you build, but they're also needed for each app that you build. Okay, it is ready. So I'm going to click preview, and here we go. So it's definitely black and white. Looks like a search input up here. This would be a notifications tab. Here's a user profile menu, but you can't click on everything. We got a black and white image. Christine Aguilera, not Christina Aguilera. An edit profile button, a couple tabs here. Here we have some posts, photos, connections, probably like a friends list, but it looks pretty well made. I'm going to go to developer tools, and then change this to a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. And it does look responsive. That's amazing. This is how it would look on a mobile phone. So it's definitely jump-started the process for me. And then you could start filling in all the details. So I'm going to double click outside the page, the type of content, let's make it user. I'm going to go to data. Under the user data type, we'll go full name, make this text, hit create. Let's add another field, avatar. This is going to be an image, click create. Let's go back to design. If I click on this bubble here for the dynamic image, I can go insert dynamic data, current users, avatar. And then for the name, we can make it dynamic, current users, full name. So let's go back to data, app data, create a new user. The name, I'll go Wes GPT. And the avatar will be the YouTube profile picture. For the email, I'll go heywesfrank@gmail.com. Click create, then click run as next to this user. And there's my profile picture and name. So I would go in, change all of these placeholders to dynamic data. This would be a bio. I'd create a post data type, a photos data type, link it to the current user, and then you could be on your way very quickly with a user profile page. But I have a sneaky suspicion that this is going to be the exact same. I'm going to try it one more time. And yeah, they only let you design 25 pages per week. I wonder if that is per account or per app. So if I just created a brand new app, would I get another 25 pages? But let's click view more. Let's go user profile again, hit next. Just to do some testing, I'm going to go do not create a posts section on the page. This should instead be a photo gallery. Let's hit generate with AI. I'm predicting that we're going to get the exact same page layout, just different colors, which means this AI pages feature is actually pretty basic. You could instead just find a template from the marketplace, a template for a user profile page, and just copy it over to a new app. Change the colors yourself, change the font. Yeah, it's the exact same page. And here's the post section right here and the photos. If I hit preview, it even used Christine Aguilera again. All right, it's just what I expected. It'd be pretty cool if it was more original, if it didn't create the same page each time. It'd also be pretty cool if it did the workflows. Apparently it should work if you click some of these buttons, but it's not working for me. Everything I click, nothing happens. None of the tabs work either. None of these work. So this part appears to be broken. It would also be cool if it created the proper data types for the page. If it created posts, if it created photos and connections, linked it all to the user, that would save a whole lot of time. This appears to be an upgrade from the components section. It's just adding these pre-made components onto the page. I get that AI is a buzzword nowadays, but I don't think it's doing anything that special. It's a step in the right direction though. I like that Bubble is experimenting with this stuff. Hopefully in a couple months or a year, we'll get a full AI page builder. You have an idea in your head. It creates it in under 30 seconds. So we have to do things manually for now. But if you have an AI app idea and you want to build it out in Bubble, I'm sorry, it's going to take some time. It's not going to take 30 seconds. But I've built and designed an online course called How to Build a Custom AI App. We have an amazing community. Lots of people are starting businesses with AI. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. We're also creating AI agents for our businesses. We currently have 9 of them going. If any of these interest you, I'll drop a link to a playlist in the description. I've made videos about each of these agents. They can help get you traffic, save you time, and help with sales. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal YouTube watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Peace.